Welcome to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the Karl home sectional sofa, a modern deep three-seat couch with an ottoman. This black chenille sofa is perfect for your living room, apartment, studio, or office. Let's dive into its features and see why it could be the ideal addition to your space. The Karl home sectional sofa is a luxurious piece of furniture with an overall dimension of 120.1 inches in length, 32.3 inches in width, and 33.5 inches in height. This makes it an ideal couch for creating a cozy and private corner for social events or family time. Imagine transforming your living room or apartment into a welcoming space for guests or a relaxing retreat after a long day. Comfort is a top priority with this sofa. It features 11.4-inch upholstered two-layer seat cushions filled with high-resiliency foam and 8-inch thick removable armrests. The 22.8-inch deep seat offers a cloud-like seating experience, perfect for lounging or taking a nap. The chenille fabric cover adds a smooth, fluffy touch, enhancing both physical and mental comfort. Durability and sturdiness are ensured with its solid wood frame and metal back frame. This robust construction provides reliable support for your back and ensures the sofa's longevity. It's not just a pretty piece of furniture, it's built to last and withstand daily use. Whether you're looking to furnish your living room, apartment, loft, or office, the Karl home sectional sofa with ottoman is a functional and stylish choice. It's perfect for relaxing after a long day, enjoying a cup of coffee, or having a heartfelt conversation with loved ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.